guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have another unboxing to make, and this is from TJ Maxx in my local store, and it's a very nice deal today. If you have time to go to your local store, they are marking it down today, the yellow tag clearance deep mark down. Okay, so this one caught my eyes. This is what's this, made in Italy golden clef. This is from $199, and today they mark it down to $49 plus tax. And this is a stretch 14 karat gold bracelet. Okay, it says here 14 karat gold. Okay, so this is what I got. It's a stretch bracelet that looks like, you know, it looks like a luxury brand, the style, right? So I saw it online. It's about 200 plus 10 karat gold, but this is 14 karat gold and made in Italy. Then another one is this sterling silver, and again made in Italy, and then from $25 to $10. This is also looking like another luxury brand. If you know what I'm saying, this is that. It's at least, I think this is 18, yeah, 18 inches sterling silver made in Italy necklace chain, and it's really like pretty. It's pretty, guys. See that? It's really pretty. And then last but not the least, it's this reversible necklace. It was $25. Okay, this is another Rachel Zoe. The ones that I got, if you were watching my video last time, my unboxing with yellow tag clearance as well from other country that I visited last time, I got the earrings of this, but it's a mother of pearl, not with CCs around. It looks like this, and the size also looks like this. Okay, and this is reversible. It has this mother of pearl in at the front, and then I don't know if it is onyx or glass, or I'm not sure, but it is reversible with CCs around it, and it is sterling silver. As you can see, it's sterling silver. Let me check. Where's the here? Sterling silver, as you can see, with plated with 18 karat gold. Okay, and it is only, they mark it only for $6. Yeah, so I have the earrings that I got last time for $6 as well, and now this is another $6. Yeah, so it's a good price today, guys. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, please write it down below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. I hope that by sharing this video, you will get the same, or if not the same, more discounts than what I'm getting right now. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I posted a new video. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice one. Bye. This is the markings of this one. Let me do the, so you can see it properly. There's the marking. This is how it looks inside, and this is how it looks outside. It's a stretch bracelet, and when you stretch it, I think the gold will stretch. I think it's a woven design, so it stretches. Yeah, there's bumps, but it's okay. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger, but it's okay. I don't know what's the size of this, maybe 7. But yeah, that is all for now. Bye. This one is really good, guys. This is a good one. I'm eyeing for a bracelet online, but still 32 bucks. I'm eyeing for that to make it more deep marking, down, like go marking it down by them online, but still it's still not, it's still pricey. So for the sterling silver bracelet, so yeah, nice one.